Second Chronicles is the 14th book of the Old Testament and a part of the Hebrew Bible. The book continues the narrative that began in First Chronicles, covering the history of the Israelite people. It spans from the reign of King Solomon to the period of the Babylonian exile. The text is a historical treatise, offering religious and moral lessons while detailing the lineage and achievements of Judah's rulers. Second Chronicles opens with the reign of Solomon, highlighting his wisdom, wealth, and the construction of the temple in Jerusalem. Solomon's request for wisdom from God and his subsequent prosperity set a thematic foundation for the book. The emphasis is on Solomon's dedication to building the temple, signifying a central place of worship for the Israelites. Solomon's interactions with foreign dignitaries like the Queen of Sheba are also noted, demonstrating his influence and the international relevance of his reign. Upon Solomon's death, the kingdom divides into the northern kingdom, Israel, and the southern kingdom, Judah, under the rule of Solomon's son Rehoboam. Second Chronicles then narrows its focus to the southern kingdom, Judah. Rehoboam's reign is notable for its challenges and for the initial split between Judah and Israel. Following Rehoboam, Judah experiences a mix of good and bad kings, each influencing the nation's spiritual and political state. The book addresses the reigns of kings such as Asa, who is praised for religious reforms and efforts to rid Judah of idolatry, and Jehoshaphat, whose reign is marked by trust in God and military victories. The text highlights how the people of Judah frequently turn away from God, leading to various consequences. Central stories involve prophets warning the kings and people, and their eventual failure to heed God's instructions, leading to negative repercussions. Noteworthy is the account of King Hezekiah, who is commended for his religious reforms, efforts to restore proper worship, and the celebration of Passover, which unites the people in religious observance. In contrast, Hezekiah's son Manasseh is portrayed unfavorably for his contributions to idolatry and sin, setting a grim tone for Judah's future. King Josiah stands out for his passionate reforms, his discovery of the Book of the Law, and his attempts to reinstate covenant fidelity throughout Judah. However, despite Josiah's commendable efforts, the nation's decline continues. The narrative indicates that Judah's persistent unfaithfulness results in God's judgment, culminating in the Babylonian exile. The book ends on a note of hope with King Cyrus of Persia issuing a decree that allows the exiled Israelites to return to their homeland and rebuild the temple. In summary, Second Chronicles focuses on the importance of faithfulness to God and the central role of the temple and worship in the life of Judah. Through the accounts of various kings, the book emphasizes lessons on leadership, obedience, and the consequences of turning away from divine commandments. It offers historical recounting with a theological perspective, aiming to instruct, warn, and offer hope to its readers.